Did you guys see it? Here's the clip again, slowed down to 50% and then 25%. And for some context, this craft is moving so fast, it literally only appears in one single solitary frame. Well, it looks like we've caught another one. A viewer of ours who routinely screen captures the International Space Station's live stream, the page to which you yourselves can find down in the link in the video description, sent us an email regarding this ISS footage that he had captured, after which he went through it frame by frame after seeing that little flicker that you saw in the replay. He wasn't sure what it was, so he sent it in to us for some further analysis. And at first, this thing moved so fast that I didn't even notice it. So I had to slow it down and go frame by frame to the point where I could see the flicker, but this thing is at such a distance that without further analysis and zooming that it couldn't be conclusively identified. So I took the footage and I zoomed in on it, and what appeared to be a possible dust particle or meteor at a second glance and at maximum zoom reveals itself to be a massive cylinder-shaped craft that has definite characteristics that do not share similarities to meteors. This thing has a structure to it. It almost looks like a rocket-shaped object. That's the closest thing I can think of for context. It looks to have some sort of wing feature on the back to it, and we've taken the still image of this thing and blown it up and increased the exposure, the contrast, and the brightness, which really brought out the features of this thing, where you can see what look like divots or air intakes running along the side of this thing, and obviously there's no air in space. But once again, this is for context, and that's the image that you're looking at right here, where we have drawn lines around these features that are on the outside of this thing, which, by the way, has to be moving so fast that it's likely in some sort of hyperspeed or warp speed. I don't think it realized that it would be captured, nor did NASA realize that someone would capture or notice it. That is, if NASA even captured or noticed this thing at all, because as you see here, it happened so fast that unless you're looking in this corner right at the time that this thing appears, you'd miss it. Now, this is not the first time that Secure Team has captured these UFOs above the Earth on the ISS live stream. In fact, we have a documented history of capturing these, what I believe are alien craft, flying through space, and in almost every single instance, NASA has cut the feed almost immediately once one of these crafts show up in an attempt to cover up and hide the fact that these things do exist and they are out there. Luckily, we had the foresight to begin recording the ISS feed, and we were one of the first people to begin screen capturing the ISS feed because we noticed these craft appearing. And since then, hundreds of thousands of people are doing the same, and when they do capture one of these things, if they are a viewer of ours, and if we're lucky, they'll get it to us and we can get it out to you guys. This thing is a definite craft. It's there. It's right there in front of your eyes. And once again, as in this footage, and in almost every piece of footage, NASA cuts the feed directly after this thing shows up, which goes to show, once again, and proving our past points, that there is a controller that monitors this feed 24/7. The feed is on a delay, and they will cut the feed as soon as they see anything that remotely resembles a UFO or a craft or something that's unidentifiable that really shouldn't be there or they don't want us to see. And this craft also brings to mind a video we put out in 2014 of one of the single best ISS UFO captures we've ever seen to date, and that we published, and it's one of the most popular videos on YouTube when it comes to the International Space Station and their cameras that they have up there, and it's probably the single best UFO capture that we've ever caught. And we're going to show you a clip from that video here to show you the ship that we caught in that video, which, by the way, another very popular UFO researcher recently posted a video this past year using our footage, which we caught in 2014, and passed it off as something new. But I'll play the clip for you guys here just to, once again, confirm that we were the first to record the footage that you're about to see in 2014, and that will provide further devastating evidence that these things are out there. So take a look, check it out. This is an awesome piece of footage. I want to thank Jake for sending it in to me. Let us know what you guys think down in the video description. Hit the like and subscribe button on your way out, and we'll see you back with another video. Simply amazing. Stay safe, guys.
check your footage to see if you've caught something. Now, this footage was captured in the early morning hours of June 8th, 2014, which was actually just a few hours ago prior to us making this video now. We were doing our routine captures and basically caught what amounts to a massive craft, undeniable UFO. Doesn't look like any military craft I've seen. Well, not that I would see it anyway if it's classified, but I'll let you guys watch the video and be the judge. We've got some amazing footage here, some more smoking gun footage brought to you from the secure team. We are always looking out for footage like this, and we'll continue posting it until our account is probably shut down. So take a look at it for yourselves and let us know what you think, and we'll keep you updated. So thanks for watching, guys. See you later.